In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey using Squarespace Forms. We'll build the survey quickly using a template and then embed it on your Squarespace site so it looks seamless. Start by opening your Form Builder workspace. Click Create to begin a new project, then choose Form. This tells the builder you want a standard, shareable form rather than another content type. Next, select Use Template. In the Template Library search bar, type Survey. This narrows the gallery to ready-made survey designs, which saves you from building every question from scratch. Take a moment to browse through the templates. Look for a layout that matches your goals: customer feedback, event follow-up, product research, or general satisfaction. When you find one you like, click. Use Template to load it into the editor. With the survey open, you can edit it right away. Update the title and description to set context, rewrite questions to fit your voice, and mark must-answer items as required if you need complete responses. You can also reorder fields, tweak answer choices, and adjust visual styles so the survey feels on brand. Small clarity tweaks here, like adding brief help text or simplifying wording, can dramatically improve completion rates. When your survey content looks good, head to Publish. From there, choose Embed. This option generates code you can place on your site so the survey appears directly on your page. Click Copy Code to copy the embed snippet. Keep this snippet as is. It includes everything needed for the survey to load properly. Now, switch to your Squarespace site and open the page where you want the survey to live. In the editor, click Add Section, then choose Add Blank. This gives you a clean area just for the survey, which helps with layout and spacing on the page. Inside that new section, click Add Block and select the Embed block. You'll see an editor panel. Click the pencil icon to open the full settings. Choose Code Snippet, then click Embed Data. Paste the code you copied earlier into the field. This places the live survey inside the block. To make sure it displays correctly, click Preview in Safe Mode. Safe Mode helps you confirm that third-party embeds render as expected without conflicting with other scripts. Check alignment, spacing, and scrolling behavior. If everything looks right, you're all set. Your survey is now integrated into your Squarespace page and ready for visitors. That's it. You created a polished survey using a template, customized it for clarity, and embedded it on your site in a clean, reliable way.